In this video, I'll show you how to use the AI Image Restorer. To start, you can click on the Image tab under the template format and click on Image Restorer. From here, you can drag and drop the image that you want to modify or select a file from your computer. You will then be redirected to the editor. You can choose your output color, wherein you can keep the original in color or switch to black and white for a classic look. Next, select the output size or ratio of the image that you want to modify. You can keep the original aspect ratio or select square, landscape, or portrait. Once everything is set, click on Restore Image. In a few seconds, Pikto AI will enhance your photo and replace it with a restored version right on your canvas. And that's it. With the AI Image Restorer, you can quickly improve the quality of your visuals. Perfect for breathing new life into old photos, blurry screenshots, or pixelated assets.